Hello, today we are going to see the summary of the lesson Rama to the Rescue. This is the third lesson of Unit 1 of the text Poorvi of Class 6 NCERT New Textbook. In this story, it is set in a quiet village where a man and his wife live peacefully. One night, as they are about to sleep, the wife hears a strange noise coming from outside. So some other noise was coming. So what did she do? She quickly realizes that there might be a thief trying to break into their house. Break into their house means to come into their house. Breaking the wall and coming to the house. Instead of panicking means terrified, means she did not disturbed by that sound. She was clever. So what did she do? She and her husband think fast and comes up with a clever plan. They were not afraid by hearing that sound. Instead of that, what did they do? They planned a clever plan. She loudly calls out the name Rama, who is the Kotwal. Kotwal means policeman in their village. So she was now calling Rama, who is the Kotwal of that village. The thief, who is hiding nearby and listening to their conversation, waits for them to sleep. He was waiting them so that this husband and wife may sleep. Then only he can take the money and go away from that house. He pays attention to their conversation, doubting that they are talking about their money. However, the real Rama, who was actually patrolling nearby, hears his name being called. Patrolling means he was moving, taking rounds in that village. So he was nearby their house and he heard his name called from this house. And because that lady was calling Rama, Rama, he immediately rushes to the house to see what's happening. When he arrives, he catches the thief who is trying to escape. When this Rama came there, this thief tried to escape, but he catches the thief. Thanks to the wife's quick thinking and Rama's vigilance, the thief is caught and the village remains safe. So this is a summary of the lesson, and moral of the story is, the story teaches us that being clever and thinking quickly can help solve problems and prevent harm. That means if we are in a dangerous situation, we should not be terrified. Instead of that, we should keep ourselves calm and think of a plan how to solve the problems. It also shows the importance of having responsible people like Rama who protect and maintain peace in the community. That's all. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.